This increase in humidity can cause scalp infections, it can increase the probability of hair breakage and also hair fall. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Victoria. I'm the founder of Zoe, the School of Life. On this channel, we talk about skincare, hair care, dating, and relationships tips. So welcome to this channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining us. We are in the middle of a 30 days hair growth challenge to grow back receding hairline and balding edges. So if you're interested in this type of videos, please directly click on the like button and subscribe to this channel so as not to miss any new video. So today, as I'll be applying my Virgin Hair Fertilizer, we will talk about hair fall during the rainy season. So this is the product that we are using in this challenge. It's called Virgin Hair Fertilizer. Now, the question you probably have is, why does hair fall more during the rainy season? It's simply because the environment is way more moist, the atmosphere is more moist, it has more humidity, and this increase in humidity can cause scalp infections, it can increase the probability of hair breakage and also hair fall. So that's basically the reason why. Now, what you probably want to know is, how do you deal with that? How do you solve that? I would say you have to use a good hair product. I would say you have to use a good hair product, the solution like Virgin Hair Fertilizer. So it is rich in active ingredients that will promote hair growth, that will strengthen your hair from the roots, and that will fight hair fall and breakage. So it's a very good product. In this case, in the challenge, we apply it just on the hairline and on bald spots. But for you who wants to prevent hair fall during the rainy season, you would apply it not just on your edges but on all your hair. So you apply on all your scalp, then you massage for 3 to 5 minutes, and when you're done with the massage process, please absolutely do not rinse it out. You leave it in your hair like that, and you have to do this twice per day, in the morning and in the evening. That's what you have to do, and that's what we are doing in this challenge. Now, there are other tips that you have to follow through with if you really want to take care of your hair during the rainy season and to protect it from falling. One of the things you have to do is ensure that you wear a cap, okay? You have to protect your hair either by wearing a cap or an umbrella or a veil when you go out and that it is raining, for example. Protect your hair from humidity. Another thing that you have to do is to keep your scalp clean. So you would have to wash your hair every week or every other week, and when you wash, really massage your scalp and keep it clean. Also, I would definitely recommend that you hydrate yourself well, because when you take in enough of water that you drink, it is good for your hair. It improves hair growth. You should check out my video on that. I have a whole video where I talk about hair growth and hydration, or hair fall and lack of hydration. Also, use a microfiber towel when you're taking care of your hair. When you finish washing it and you want it to dry, use a microfiber towel because it is associated with less hair breakage. And most importantly, I would say you should avoid tight hairstyles. Like, for real, do not style your hair too tight, especially around the hairline, if you do not want your hair to fall. So I have a whole video on protective hairstyles. You should check out that video. Really make sure, in fact, I have 2 videos on protective hairstyles. One on examples of protective hairstyles that you should make, another one on the benefits of protective hairstyles. You should check out both videos to find out how to really style your hair in the best way possible, so as not to irritate your hair and so as not to cause hair fall. So that's it. If you need more tips and tricks on how to take care of your natural hair and make it grow, you should check out my book, Starting Your Natural Hair Journey from Scratch, in which I share tips and tricks on how to take care of your natural hair. So the book is available as paperback on Amazon, or you can also download a digital copy of the book directly from my website, so check it out. So thank you so much for watching. If you've been blessed by watching this video, please click on the like button. Also, please write in the comment section how it's been going for you ever since you started this challenge to grow back your edges and your hairline. Also, please, I would really appreciate if you share this video with someone else who wants to grow back their edges and their hairline. It will mean a lot to me. And finally, please subscribe to this channel so as to encourage me. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.